there, it's JOANA SWAN. So this is my setup for video when I'm gonna go traveling. So this is my MacBook. I really need it because this is the travel for the Euro. I'm gonna go to Budapest. So when you're staying for about a week or more, this is what you need to go by. Like, I already made video about all my technical plans that I need to take, like the battery for the phone, the solar one, and everything. So I'm just focusing on what I need to go live and making video. So this is for me to hold my phone. I'm holding my hands right now so I can show it to you, and the camera phone is very stable that way, and I don't move too much. I also have this to stabilize my video, which is great because I also can fix it on the tables, or if you see at the end, I can have a higher stand and do my video, which is really great. So this is like small mic, you know, when you put on yourself for interviews. They have two input. You have one here on my adapter for my iPhone and over cellular phone, because you know those things don't come easily on phones anymore. This is for me to record it if it's no camera and I just have some quick feedback I need to get. This is great quality. Hub station, you know it. My camera, of course. This is the light, the circle light for my phone. This is the big one. It's folded into two. It's a travel size. I loved it. My mouse, my Stream Deck must have it for live. The mic that I have for some times is a USB one, so it's very practical. I don't need to have my machine all the extra. I forget to mention the green part. The green part is my green font. This is foldable. Doesn't take a lot of space, and I totally need it if I want to have some effect, of course, for me to hear you back and hear myself back. That's what I need. I think I'm all set with the extra battery. The fan right here, this is a fan, and I need to cool my laptop when I do any work because it get heat up really fast. So I'm all set.